Welcome back to WeatherBug here on this Wednesday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And after a very warm start to meteorological winter and December, looking ahead through the weekend and early next week, December weather looks to return. So look at all the beautiful holiday lights out there. All we need is some snowfall, and some of that could be returning as well. All right, highs yesterday, very mild still in the southeast, setting more records for yesterday's date, and still even mild as you head up into the high plains, the upper Mississippi Valley. And looking at this Arctic air sitting across the far north to dislodge itself and head into the lower 48 by the middle part of next week. But yesterday, still nationwide, seeing a lot of orange and red. Today, still warmer as we have another push of that cooler air heading out of Canada. We'll see that warmer air kind of tuck up underneath that front before it actually does come through. Take a look at the last 7 days. The U.S. record highs either tied or broken, nearly 700 nationwide. That is remarkable. But yesterday, out ahead of that front, we had some hail and high winds down from southern Texas to Louisiana and Mississippi. That line of showers and thunderstorms has basically fallen apart, but you can see where the showers are at along the I-95 corridor. Some colder air behind it, allowing some lake effect snow showers to pop up. At this morning, about 50 to almost 30 degrees colder around the Great Lakes region down through the lower Mississippi Valley. Now again, warmer air is heading into the high plains today, and on the preceding edge of that is a little moisture. Some clouds, showers will be developing. Also have that moisture continuing out west, and weather headlines here continue to be in that form of flooding, potentially along the coast. We have some wind that'll be buffeting the northern Rockies, and then some snowfall where the mountain snow could be adding up close to maybe a foot again out near, say, Yellowstone National Park in Jackson. 5-day precipitation forecast continues to bring in that Pacific moisture. Northern Cascades, I should say the Sierra Nevada, Cascades, and the Olympics still picking up the chance of maybe 1 to 3 inches of precipitation. Now that big low sitting in the Gulf of Alaska looks to be breaking loose and heading south of the international border at some point this upcoming weekend, and then by early next week it'll continue to tug down some of that colder air, which will get us back to more normal like December-like readings here. But also along with that colder air comes the chance of snow. There's the ECMWF 1 week out, which does keep most of that snow potential right across the international border. So we'll keep you up to date on that. The temperature trend showing that cooler air eventually heading south the international border by the end of the week here. Temperatures near the Great Lakes a little cooler today, but down to the south from Denver to El Paso right around 70 degrees, and Atlanta at 67.